Today I am reviewing the ROVE R2-4K Dual Dashcam front and rear. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, I'm reviewing the ROVE R2-4K Dual Dashcam, a premium front and rear dash camera that combines true 4K recording, Sony STARVIS 2 imaging technology, built-in GPS, ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi, and an impressive collection of smart driving features. Whether you're a daily commuter, rideshare driver, road trip enthusiast, or simply someone who wants extra peace of mind on the road, this dash cam aims to provide reliable protection every time you drive. After looking at everything it offers, it's easy to see why it's become one of the most popular dual dash cams on the market. Let's start with the feature that matters most: video quality. The ROVE R2-4K Dual records in true 4K Ultra HD at 3840 by 2160 resolution from the front camera, while simultaneously recording full HD 1080p from the rear camera. Having both cameras recording at the same time provides complete coverage of your vehicle, capturing incidents from both directions. The front camera uses a 150-degree ultra-wide viewing angle, while the rear camera captures a 140-degree field of view. This wide coverage helps reduce blind spots and records multiple lanes of traffic, making it easier to capture important details like license plates, traffic signals, and surrounding vehicles. Where this dash cam truly separates itself from many competitors is its Sony IMX675 STARVIS 2 image sensor. Sony's STARVIS 2 technology has earned an excellent reputation for producing outstanding image quality, especially during nighttime driving. Night recordings often reveal details that many standard dash cams simply miss. The large f1.5 aperture on the front camera and f1.8 aperture on the rear camera allows significantly more light into the lenses, resulting in brighter nighttime footage with less noise and better overall clarity. Whether you're driving on poorly lit highways, residential streets, or during heavy rain, the camera maintains impressive image quality. This is particularly important because many accidents happen during low light conditions, and having clear evidence can make all the difference. Another standout feature is the built-in dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Unlike older dash cams that require removing the memory card every time you want to save footage, the ROVE app allows you to connect directly to the camera using your smartphone. Even better, ROVE advertises download speeds of up to 20 megabytes per second, making it one of the faster wireless dash cam systems available. Large 4K video files can be transferred much more quickly than on traditional Wi-Fi dash cams, allowing you to review incidents almost immediately after they occur. The mobile app also lets you preview live footage, download recordings, adjust camera settings, update firmware wirelessly, and easily share clips with insurance companies, family members, or social media if needed. Everything can be managed directly from your iPhone or Android device without needing a computer. Speaking of evidence, the integrated GPS module is another valuable feature. The dash cam records your exact driving route, vehicle speed, compass direction, and location directly alongside your video recordings. If an accident ever occurs, this additional information provides valuable supporting evidence beyond the video itself. Using ROVE's free GPS player software for Windows or Mac, you can replay your trips while simultaneously viewing your route on a map, along with your recorded footage. This added layer of documentation can be extremely helpful when dealing with insurance claims or legal situations. One feature many buyers will appreciate immediately is what's included in the box. Unlike many competing dash cams that require purchasing a memory card separately, the ROVE R2-4K Dual includes a free 128 GB microSD card. That's enough storage to begin recording immediately without additional expense. Better yet, the camera supports memory cards up to 1 TB, making it suitable for drivers who want extended recording capacity for long road trips or commercial driving. The camera also includes numerous advanced safety features working quietly in the background. Loop recording ensures the camera continuously records without running out of storage by automatically overwriting the oldest unlocked footage. The built-in G sensor detects sudden impacts and immediately locks the current recording so it cannot be accidentally overwritten. Motion detection provides additional security when parked, while emergency recording automatically preserves important events without requiring driver input. Instead of using a traditional lithium battery, ROVE uses a supercapacitor, which offers much greater durability in extreme temperatures. This is especially beneficial for vehicles parked outside in hot summers or freezing winters, where conventional batteries often degrade over time. Supercapacitors are generally considered the more reliable long-term solution for automotive electronics. The camera also includes built-in thermal protection to safeguard the device during high-temperature operation, further improving long-term reliability. Another major highlight is ROVE's custom-designed 24-hour parking mode. When paired with the optional hardwire kit, the dash cam can monitor your vehicle even while it's parked. Users can choose from 3 different parking surveillance modes, depending on their needs. The first is time-lapse recording, which captures 1 frame per second to conserve storage while continuously monitoring the surroundings. The second is motion detection, which automatically begins recording whenever movement is detected near the vehicle. The third is collision detection, which immediately records and safely stores footage if the vehicle experiences an impact while parked. One particularly thoughtful feature is the built-in voice guidance. If the camera records an incident while your vehicle is unattended, it notifies you the next time you start your car, ensuring you're aware that something happened even if you weren't present. Installation is refreshingly straightforward. ROVE includes nearly everything needed for setup. Inside the package, you'll find the front camera, rear camera, 128 GB microSD card, power cable, rear camera cable, USB car charger, mounting hardware, cable clips, trim installation tool, cleaning wipe, and data cable. The included trim tool makes hiding cables around your vehicle much easier, helping achieve a professional-looking installation without needing additional accessories. The 3-inch IPS display offers bright, sharp visuals with wide viewing angles, making it easy to review recordings or navigate through menus directly on the camera itself. The user interface is clean and intuitive, allowing most users to configure the camera within just a few minutes. In everyday driving, the ROVE R2-4K DUAL excels because it requires very little attention after installation. It powers on automatically when your vehicle starts, begins recording immediately, continuously saves footage, and quietly performs its job without distracting the driver. Whether you're commuting to work, driving for Uber or Lyft, taking family road trips, or simply wanting extra security while parked, the camera provides constant protection in the background. Of course, no product is perfect. To fully utilize the 24-hour parking mode, you'll need to purchase the optional hardwire kit separately. While this does add to the overall cost, it's fairly standard among premium dash cameras. Additionally, recording in true 4K creates larger video files, so users who drive extensively may eventually want to upgrade to a larger memory card, although the included 128 GB card provides an excellent starting point. Overall, the ROVE R2-4K DUAL dashcam delivers an outstanding combination of video quality, smart features, reliability, and overall value. The true 4K front recording, full HD rear camera, Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, exceptional night vision, built-in GPS, ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, included 128 GB microSD card, supercapacitor design, and comprehensive parking protection make it one of the strongest dual dash cam packages available today. If you're looking for a dash cam that offers excellent image quality both day and night, easy smartphone connectivity, dependable recording, and advanced safety features without requiring multiple expensive add-ons, the ROVE R2-4K DUAL is an easy recommendation. It's a smart investment that could prove invaluable when you need reliable video evidence the most, giving you added confidence every time you get behind the wheel.